everyone. For people who are new here, I am Bhavya Bangera and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a skincare kit that I have been using from quite some time, and I will also demonstrate the product for you guys. Also know that it is not a sponsored video and it's my genuine review for you guys. Okay, so if I'm talking about a particular product, then please let me just make it very clear to you. The pack that I have is the Yavadam skincare range from the Face Shop. Like you already know, the Face Shop is a Korean brand, and also people are going hoo-ha over this Korean products for obvious reasons. The pack that I have is a travel kit, and it consists of a toner, emulsion, serum and a face cream. Well, I got this from Nykaa when there were discounts offered on these products, because to let you guys know, the products from this range is on a pricey side. However, it's worth investing in them, and I got this kit for about 1200 rupees, I guess. Now coming on to why use these products. This is basically a skincare range to prevent signs of aging, and it also makes your skin hydrated and moisturized and makes your skin look radiant without keeping it oily. Trust me guys, it is not oily at all, which means this is for all skin type. Now who can use these products? This is for women who are in their early 20s, because that's the time you're supposed to use anti-aging products for your skin to prevent premature aging, and this is the time when your skin needs that proper food to stay healthy. And I so wish I knew the importance of skincare in my early 20s. Nevertheless, it's never too late, like we say. And this is for all my young viewers who are confused and skeptical on buying this range. So if you are in your early 20s, start having a good skincare regime, as it's very, very important. Now let me demonstrate to you the application. So let's start with the toner from this range. Ensure your face is cleansed, and then with the help of a cotton pad, apply this toner onto your face. So this will give you a refreshed and a well moisturized skin, like what the toners are supposed to do, and this will get absorbed into your skin right away. So moving on to the next product from this range, that is the Yavadam serum. So this serum is enriched with Korean ginseng, safflower and goji berry. This is basically that works together to fight aging and gives you a youthful skin. So with your fingers, just tap a bit onto your skin and massage it onto your skin for a minute or two, like I am doing in this video. So the next product is the Yavadam emulsion. This is a step to prepare your skin for the next product, and like we all know the importance of serum. So this serum is very light in weight, and this will absorb into your skin, leaving your skin nourished without making it oily or greasy. Trust me guys when I say it is not oily at all. So this is basically for all skin types. You can use it even if you have an oily skin. So just like other products, massage this into your skin with your fingers for a minute or two, and trust me guys, your skin will feel nourished immediately. Now comes the last product from this range, that is the Yavadam cream. This is that product that will lock in all the products that you have used so far. This is a very thick layer when applied, so ensure you use just a bit of it. Well, this takes time for your skin to absorb the product. However, in some time you will feel it settling into your skin, and by morning your skin will feel super moisturized and hydrated, and your skin will literally glow. Okay guys, so that's how the product's supposed to be used. Now towards the end of this video, there's a mini clip where I have shown you how my skin looks in the morning when I wake up, and before I wash and after I wash my face, how my skin looks. That there's a mini clip that's added towards the end, so please stay till the end and watch this entire video. And that's all about this product, the review on this product. If you found this review informative and helpful, please comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and bye bye. Hi guys, morning. So this is how my skin looks in the morning. I mean, it looks well moisturized and hydrated. Sorry, I really don't know what to say because I've just woken up. So yes, I'll wash my face, and I shall show you all how my skin looks then after washing. So yes, stay tuned. So yes, I have washed my face, and this is how my skin looks. In spite of having layers in the night, when morning when you wake up, it is all soaked in, and your skin looks really plumped, and you have that glow the entire day. So yes, I would really rate this product 8 out of 10. And yes, if you all haven't tried, then please do try, and if in case you all buy it through my suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section below. Love you guys.